The biggest lie about being stuck is that you want to change.
I know it sounds ridiculous. However, every pattern serves a purpose, even though they make us miserable. And today we are going to uncover what your stuckness might be protecting. Here is a question I want you to consider. What is your stuckness protecting? Not what is costing you, because that you know. However, what is it protecting? Maybe being stuck protects you from failure. If you never fully commit, you never fail. Perhaps staying stuck protects you from success. Success might bring you visibility.
Think about that person that keeps talking about writing the book. Years pass, no book gets written.
From the outside, it looks like procrastination. But underneath, there may be protection. No book, no failure, no criticism. Or the woman who says she wants to stay in a relationship and yet chooses emotionally unavailable partners again and again.
The pattern may be protecting her from intimacy, from getting hurt, from feeling rejected.
Find a place in your life that you feel stuck. Nothing big, something small but annoying. Go there, close your eyes, and if you need, pause this video. Take a deep breath and go inside. Bring that place that is like to feel better about it. Be curious. Avoid judging. We are just exploring a possibility of you being hurt, of you not feeling seen or rejected. Maybe that stuckness is your bodyguard. Yes, a bodyguard. An outdated bodyguard. This is where, Buttercup, the nervous system work is so important. Familiarity is safer than possibility.
Here's your homework, Buttercup. This week, when you start to feel stuck in any aspect of your life, pause.
And instead of, why am I doing this?
Ask yourself, what is this protecting me?
That single question has the power to open a new door in your life.
In our next conversation, we are going to explore another very interesting topic. Be gentle with yourself. Learn to fall in love with who you are.
Because, Buttercup, you deserve to be happy.